Hello.
Hello,
Good
hi
morning.
Tanuja. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, hi. I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. So, Tanuja, my name is Rupali. I'll be taking the session. Okay.
Okay.
So, before we start the session, Tanuja, can you tell me what are the difficulties or problems that you're currently facing while speaking in English? Anything you're trying to improve on? Anything you're trying to work on?
Yeah. So sometimes it happens I make mistake uh,
Okay.
while speaking, and also I have to improve. Like I don't get confidence sometimes, and I
Mhm.
don't get the thoughts like what I have to say. So yeah, that are the things I have to improve. And I speak, but I feel like that I am not speaking professionally because of
Okay.
some vocabulary or lack of vocabulary, I guess. So yeah,
Mhm.
that are the things I have to improve.
Okay. All right. So, basically, vocabulary. You feel like you're not using proper vocabulary and you feel like you're not speaking professionally. That is what you want,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay,
Right.
okay, no problem. So we'll try to find some solution. We'll work on some vocabulary words. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start the session. So Tanuja, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal. I am a working professional in IT sector. And if I
Okay,
talk about my hobbies, I like to do drawing and dancing. Yeah, that's all
okay,
about me.
okay. So Tanuja, how long have you been working in the IT sector?
Yeah, it has been 4 years now.
4 years now. Okay.
Yeah,
So you're working from home or from office?
yeah, I'm working from home.
Okay, okay. So your office is in Bhopal or some other city?
Yeah, it is in different city, Noida.
Okay, okay. So
But
you're working from home.
during the COVID, I got this opportunity to work from home, and now it is continuously going on.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. Okay. So okay, now let's move on to the session notes since you've given me some little small knowledge about yourself. Okay, have you had a chance to look at the topic? What is the topic of the day?
Yeah, I haven't go through all the session because I didn't get the
Mhm.
time. But yeah, I have seen the topic.
Yeah, so the topic is failing. Okay, but before that, we'll have a little conversation, like discuss on the topic. Two topics there are given, and you can choose whatever topic you wanna have. Like 2-3 minutes, you can talk about that topic. Okay, just to warm up. All right.
Okay.
So, first is luck or hard work, and second is well begin is half done.
Okay. I'll choose luck or hard work.
Okay. Do you think this is luck plays an important role, or do you think hard work, if someone works hard, they'll achieve anything, or do you think luck plays a role in that?
Yeah, I would say that both plays an important role because I can't deny that luck don't work or hard work don't work because both are equally important. If I'll
Mm-hmm.
talk about if 80% is hard work and 20% I can say the luck is also work. Because sometimes I have seen that the person who is doing very hard work and doing a lot of efforts for gaining or achieving the goals, but they are not able to fulfill or not able to achieve. Sometimes luck doesn't favor for them. So I would say that both plays an important role. And if I'll talk about myself, so I don't feel that I'm a lucky person, but I believe on hard work. And yeah, sometimes I also feel like if I'll talk about the others, like I feel like that luck is favoring for them, but
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't work for me. I have to put all my efforts to achieve my success, achieve my goals. So yes,
Okay, so you think partly it is, mostly it is hard work, but the rest it is luck. Because
yes,
sometimes it also happens, no matter how hard you work for something, someone else is going to scoop that opportunity up. Okay,
yes,
or no matter
correct.
how hard you study for an exam or something, if it is not in your destiny, you won't succeed in that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, all right, okay, okay. So
So
now
what
we
about you? Like you believe on luck?
I do believe in luck. I feel like, but I feel like if something, for example, if I want something in my life, I'm like, okay, I'm working towards that goal. Could be a job or could be, an exam, competitive exam, and I'm working towards that, working really hard. But it's not happening from me, no matter how hard I work. But I feel like God has another better plan for you. So if that is not working, but I do believe in luck. Some people are lucky, they're very lucky, but others they're not lucky, no matter how hard they work. So yes, my opinions are the same as you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now we had a little discussion. Okay, and we'll move to the main topic, that is fame. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll
Yeah.
ask you questions, just give me answers. Tell me what your opinions are on them. Okay. So,
Okay.
would you want to be famous, Tanuja?
Not really, but
Okay.
sometimes I feel like that I have to become a great personality so that people will respect me or
Mm-hmm.
would give me love or affection. It's
Mm-hmm.
not only about that I have to become a famous for anyhow, not only for any reason. I have to become uh, a famous for good deeds or
Mm-hmm.
so that people will love me or give me respect because
Okay.
so many famous people are there, but it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't matter. They are doing good work. So,
Yes.
yes.
They
So I
just
don't.
became famous, became viral, and now they're like living their life. Doesn't mean
Yes.
if
Yes.
they're doing something good or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you
Yes.
want to be famous for good deeds.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what do you think it would be like to be famous?
Yeah, I have to become a helpful person so that I can help others, or it any possible ways. It's no matter that I'm doing any kind of charity work or something. If I can give you the knowledge, or if I can help in some money related, or if I can help if you are in a need, so it all about that. It doesn't matter that I have to help them for only for money or something, but yeah, for good things.
Okay. Okay. So you already told me that you want to be famous for good deeds, something you're passionate about, not just like anything, like some celebrities are famous. Okay. Okay. So what level of popularity do people have to have to be considered famous? There are like some very big celebrities who are like known worldwide, but there are some who are known in their city, maybe in the country or amongst like a particular group of people. So what level do you think the Tanuja is required for someone to become famous, to be considered famous? Like, yeah, that person is famous.
Yes, if I'll talk about myself though, so I don't want to become famous like a big celebrity. Like people will
Yeah.
know me about all around the world. But yeah, I want to become famous for my city or country, I can say, and especially for my good work, so that people will know me.
Okay, okay. So you want no, but the question was what level of popularity? Some people are popular, like maybe in office someone is popular, maybe in someone's house someone is popular, or maybe in their area, their locality they are popular. Doesn't mean they are famous. They are just popular. So what kind of popularity do you think? What level of popularity should someone be at to be considered famous? Like, oh, that
Uh,
person is famous.
yes,
That
yes.
I'm
So it
asking.
can be city or country also. So I
Okay.
want to become famous for city or country, I can say.
Hmm. So, if someone is famous in the city, what would that mean? Like, everywhere they're going in the city, everyone is recognizing you. That means famous, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me what are the biggest advantages and disadvantages of being famous?
Yes. So, sometimes I have feel that the celebrity who are very famous, they are not getting the time for living their personal life, or sometimes they don't get the privacy. If they want
Yeah.
to do something crazy, craziest thing, so they are not able to do because of this fame or something. So
Mm-hmm.
because we normal people can do anything, if we want to
Mm-hmm.
eat street food, so we can easily eat or something, but the celebrities think twice before doing this because they can get recognized and will be viral for them.
Yes. And what are the advantages?
And advantages is yeah, so celebrity can do, if they want to travel any city or any world, they can easily do, and the people
Mm-hmm.
will recognize you, they will ask you for the autograph, and you will feel like that, yeah, you are doing something great. Then only people will recognize you and asking for autograph or something.
Yeah. Okay. So, like you said, that disadvantages were that you don't have any personal life, you don't have any privacy, right? So, do you think being famous comes at a price? Like, if you want to be famous, there is a certain amount of price you have to pay, not like monetary price, but like other prices.
Mm, no, I didn't get the question actually.
Yes, yes. So I'm asking, do you think becoming when someone becomes famous, they have to give up something, some aspects of their life, like a price, small price? You know, when people say if you want to do something, you have to pay some price. Okay, like if a student is studying hard for their exams, they are paying a price of not going out with their friends, enjoying life, they're only studying. So that I'm asking, do you think being famous comes at a price? Like you already mentioned, they have to give up their personal life, they don't have time for their personal life, they have to give up their privacy. So this could be the price they pay, right? No
Yeah,
privacy,
definitely.
no personal
Yeah.
life.
So I can
Hmm.
say that most of the famous people, not only about celebrity or Bollywood actor or actress, it is so many great personalities are here, and they are putting a lot of effort. They are actually paying their hard work or dedication for achieving those success. Or so I can say that, yeah, definitely they are paying prices for them. It's not only about the money or something, but yeah, definitely they are putting their all efforts for achieving those. And also some of the great personalities are there, they are doing a lot of good things, like helping others. So definitely.
Okay. So have you ever known anyone who was famous or who became famous maybe later in life? Like you used to know them?
uh, in my surrounding or something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm, I don't remember.
Or anyone that is famous that you know them.
uh, yeah, there are so many people. If I'll talk about, so Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or
No, someone
this
you
one.
know personally.
No, personally I don't remember.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Okay. So according to you, Tanuja, what is more important, fame or respect?
Yeah, as I told you earlier, that respect is more important, because
Okay.
everyone can. Nowadays, the people are doing so many extra things and they are getting viral because of that. But it doesn't matter that all the people are giving respect. They are just crazy about they are doing whatever thing they are doing just for fun or entertainment purpose. But they are not actually giving respect. So
Yes.
yeah, so it, I won't say that the fame is uh, only the fame is required, but you should be respectable.
Okay, okay. All right. Okay, now we'll do some vocabulary words, okay? Related to fame. All
Okay.
right. Or just yeah. Untidy. Do you know what does untidy means?
Yes, so that doesn't tidy or get doing the mess up something. Mm,
Yes. Tidy, what does tidy means?
tidy means clean.
Yeah, neat and
Clean.
clean. So untidy would mean something that is very messy.
Messy.
Okay.
Yes.
Doesn't tidy up, leaves mess everywhere. You're very untidy, or that room is very untidy. It is not clean. It is very messy. Grumpy.
um, grumpy means who don't, who they are not in a good mood, in a
Yeah.
bad mood.
Yeah. Someone who's very irritated, annoyed, not in a they're not in a good mood, doesn't want to talk to anyone. Usually we say old people are very grumpy, they're always in a mood. They don't want to talk to anyone. So that is
Yes,
being
yes.
grumpy. Okay.
Okay.
Adaptable.
Who is able to adopt anything or
Yes, adaptable basically means someone or something, anything that can adapt in any situation
situation.
accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, ambitious.
uh, Ambitious, who is what can I say, who is more focused for their aim.
Yes, definitely. Who's passionate or who wants to achieve something like success in their life. That person is very ambitious. Um, Diligent.
Diligent. I'm not remembering.
Okay, so diligent is someone who's very um, careful and showing a lot of like respect, responsibility towards their duties, whatever their duties are. So they're working very, properly, carefully, doing all their work on time. So that person is very diligent.
Diligent.
Okay. Impartial.
Uh, who is treating all the things equally?
Yeah. Who's treating everyone equally, whether they are his friends or enemies, they treat them equally. Okay. Gregarious. 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 Okay. People who are very fond of company, who are very fond of like going out and just having people with them. That's called
Okay.
gregarious. Those person are very gregarious. Okay.
Okay.
Inventive.
Inventive.
No. Invent something.
And
Someone who's very creative.
creative, yes.
That person is very inventive. Okay.
Got it.
Persistent.
Persistent. I know the meaning, but I'm not able to express it.
So persistent is someone who like continuously, uh, like how our parents are very persistent on the students, like on the children, like you have to do this. So they're like continuously pushing them, forcing them, like you have to do this, you have to do this. So they very persistent. Or persistent also means you can say they are not very easily, if they have like a set belief, they will only believe that. They are very persistent on their belief that god exists, for example, or not exist. So if we try to contradict them, like no, this is wrong what you're thinking, they are very persistent, like no, this is what we believe and we are just going to keep thinking that. And they force also other people to do that too. So those person are very persistent.
Persistent.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so Tanuja, we have 1 minute. uh and if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me now. Anything you
Uh,
want to ask me? Anything?
no,
No.
I just want my feedback.
Yes. So Tanuja, your English is good. You use proper grammar and everything. I feel like if you want to be a little more sound a little more impressive, you should work a little on your